Hi, today I want to show you guys how I do my color grading in Adobe Premiere Pro. Uh, it's unfortunate some of you guys use like 2019, 2021. I do use 2023. Yeah, it's not yet updated though. So I already inputted my footage, like what I want to work on. So after that, with me, I have to do my lighting and my color grading. So what is important first is I have to make an adjustment layer that I have to work on with the video. So I'll come in my project here. I'll left click and go on new item. On new item, I'll go for adjustment layer. When I get to adjustment layer, everything's already inserted. All I have to do is just click on OK. Then when I go on OK, I get my adjustment layer. Now I drag it down here. You understand? So I have to adjust it accordingly to my footage, so to the entire project, I can say. So like that. Okay, it's there. So you see here, on this panel, I have to go on my lumetri color. There's effects control, there's lumetri color, essential graphics. So I have to go on lumetri color where I have to do basic correction, creatives. You understand what I say? Okay, so that's how it is. The further I do, let's start it. Like I have to balance it, the white balance, the temperature, everything. Meaning it's more like here I'm doing the color correction. I'm just correcting the picture. You understand? I have to bring it to life. So you see temperature. You have to see, like let me play this video. What type of emotion or what type of story do I want to display? That's what have to come in your mind as you are doing it. You understand what I say? So when you're doing this, you have to come up with a good understanding of what story you want to do as you're working on. So let me save it first. Okay, so we've done that. So let me find a good thing. Okay, there. Now let me start with my contrast. I want to add more some contrast, like 27. Let me see how 27 looks. Okay, that's cool. And let me drop down my highlights. uh is that cool? Okay, let me try. Okay, I can add my highlights. Yes. Yeah, it balances. Let me drop down. Let me add some shadows. Obviously it needs some shadows. You understand? You've seen what is bringing the blacks, the whites. So let me just add a bit of it. Okay, like there, it makes sense. And my white balance, let me see. Okay, wow, whites. Okay, saving is just okay. Then black. Okay, let me just a bit of it as well. Okay, now my like let me see what type of thing that one cool. Let me see how cool looks like. Just like you've seen, the more you go down there, the more so that's how it is. You've seen, so these things are not easy, man. Let me redo that and do what I mean. Okay, so let me just a bit of cool. Let me try making it cool. Let me try to add some magenta, like green or do. Yes. Now, okay, there with me, I feel like I've done mine, but yeah, the highlights are too much. Okay, let me try dropping them. Okay, cool. Yes, that's just fine. Now, so after this, you've seen this creative. So, what I'll do is, let me just, I like, there's this light which I'll use. Yes, let me add, dry. There's this light I like using. Let me try this one though. Okay, you've seen this light. If you want this light, you can inbox me, then I can forward it to you. Okay, so no, let me first get another light. Okay, yeah, so I've thought of another light because there's a deep thing that I want to display. Okay, let me go to crease J. Let me go to J, like J, new stuff. Just like I have a lot of a couple of things, you understand? Okay, so J. So wow. So in my J I have a white wedding lights which I like. Okay, open it. Wow, this one you've seen how it is. It brings like something deep. You understand what I say? Okay, so that's just too much. So what I have to do is I have to decrease the size. I don't need too much of it. No, okay, good. That one is just fine. Okay, like that. You've seen just more of it. Then I'll drag another adjustment layer down here. Okay, so when I have this adjustment layer, I put it there, I put it here. Wow, that's cool. Let me now correct it once again. Like I have to put another light. You remember that first light we brought in? I have to bring it in so that they display a good thing. This is cool. Remember I created everything. So if you want my lights, guys, you can buy them. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me add another contrast. Like okay, even there. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, contrast is okay. Let me see. Highlights too much, right? Okay, let me remove some highlights, shadows. Let me a bit of them white, just a bit. Okay, now I guess they are okay. Now what I have to do again, like I have to come in my creative. I have to plug in my light. Like you remember that one I do? Okay, it's there. So okay, the light I'm going for is this one, drive. So after I put my drive, it's very cool. Wow. Now I don't need too much of it. Just need a bit of it as well. Okay. This is cool. This is cool. That's too much. Okay, I guess my that looks okay. Now, after that, I have to sharpen it. I have to sharpen my image, obviously, and I have to give it a cinematic look, like the fade. You see, the higher I go, it looks like blah blah. You see what I mean? Okay, so I just needs more of it. Something like that, you understand? Okay, that's what I need myself. Then I add some vibrance, like I need some vibrance from it. Wow, okay. Then after that, I do what? I want to add some details to my shadows. That's cool. Oh, then I add a bit of this. Wow, that's cool. Which see the effects it brings. Very cool actually. Wow. Have you seen where we are? So let me try balancing them. Okay. Okay. With me there I feel good. Then I have let me try working on my skin like okay. Wow. Let me try. Oh my goodness. What's happening? Okay, it's there. I bring it. I put it right here. Okay, now I go to my effects control. You've seen my skin how it looks. Now I go where it is. I add some smoothing into my skin. Like 2080 looks good, I guess. Okay, then some skin tones like 45. Okay, I don't want to do much of it because that's just too good already for me, I can say. Okay, now still going back, I have to go on my color wheels and match. Okay, that's just too much for you guys. understand. Let me adjustment on my shadows, my highlight. Hey man, what's up? Hey, what's happening? Uh, it's acting crazy. How about my these things? Okay, I'll do that. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. So this is how far we've gone. This is the before, after the color correction, and that. So okay, wait. Okay, so I say thank you I say thank you guys for sticking in. So please, if you want anything, get in touch with me. I love you, one love. Yeah.